Hello friends, welcome to the video number 31 for the JavaScript video tutorial series. And well, in this video we're gonna be talking about the continue statement. Well, in the previous video we talked about the break statement and we saw how we could use it to completely exit a loop, for example a while or a for loop. When a condition is true, we can set, okay, if this is true, just break, get out of the loop, and the flow of execution would go outside of the loop and continue with the rest of the code. In this case, the continue, what is going to allow us is just to skip that particular loop that we're doing, but then go back again. And if this continue is still, if this condition is still true, then we'll do it again, and so on. So it's pretty simple. Here I have a very simple while loop. We're gonna make the example, of course, with this while loop. We can do it, or we can use also a for loop. But well, in this case, I'm just gonna create a list, a very simple list of the numbers that goes from 0 to 25. So there it is, pretty basic. So what we're gonna do now is just to place here my condition. So if, and then the condition is gonna be, well, let's say I want to create a list or this same list, but I want to extract, or I don't want to show there any number that is exactly divisible by 5, right? So I don't want to see the 5, the 10, the 15. So I hope that you remember how to do that, how we can do that with JavaScript. So just say, okay, take my variable, apply the modulus by 5. So basically divide my variable by 5 and return to me the remainder. And if that is equals to 0, then that means, of course, that my variable is now exactly divisible by 5. And then what I want you to do, JavaScript, I just want you to continue and end this with a semicolon. And that's basically it. But well, let's run it like I have it right now, and something bad's gonna happen. Right, it's trying to do something. So this looks like an infinite loop probably. So just pause the video right here and try to find where the issue is, where the mistake is. And well, the mistake is in here, right? As I'm getting to this to this condition and it is true, then I'm saying, okay, continue. So go back to the while. Then, well, of course, come back again, continue, and go back to the while. So I created an infinite loop. What I need to do is just take this incrementer before I check my condition and I put my continue, right? So I plus plus, that's it. So now I have a way to actually increment my variable before I do this checking and the continue. So let's run it again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it seems to be working. And well, of course, if I want the contrary, I want just the numbers that are exactly divisible by 5. So I just need to negate this. And there it is. And well, of course, we can use this, for example, with a for loop. We can traverse through an array or an object, and if that object, or well, that element of the object or the array uh, complies with a very specific condition, we can just well, in this case we're gonna use this condition to continue or to skip it, but we can, again, like in this case, we can just negate it to have it displayed or brought back to me. And well, whatever it is that I don't wish to bring, I don't need to bring the whole array or the whole object. So I can use this, again, this continue in a for loop to just return to me exactly what I'm expecting, right? By using this conditional and the continue statement. So there it is. I hope you found this pretty simple and useful, especially that you have found this video useful. And well, of course, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share and like the video. And well, that's it for today. So I hope to see you on the next video.